My name is Luc Strijers. I'm Dutch. I'm the CEO of Deribit, based in Dubai. Deribit is the biggest crypto options exchange globally. So 2/3 of our business is options, predominantly on Bitcoin and Ether, as well as a variety of altcoins that we recently started offering. The platform is pretty well known in the institutional space. 85% of our business is institutional, so that means that the retail space is more limited. We call them sophisticated traders or advanced traders. These people are familiar with our product range, but that means because of the complexity that it's not suitable for the masses, but is more for a niche audience. That's why not everyone globally has heard of us. But if you look at numbers, we traded for the first time over 200 billion in a single month, which is a record volume last August. Overall, it's slightly lower, so let's say 150 billion on average. 2/3 of that, so let's say give or take 100 billion on an average month would be options. So for us, options is really our bread and butter. We're based in Dubai, having a VARA license, the regulator in Dubai. We have a big chunk of our team in Amsterdam, and then we have a presence in Panama and a variety of other spots globally. In total, we have around 175 people. In terms of open interest, we service about 50 billion in open interest. That means 80% of the market is covered by Deribit, or slightly higher at times. The competitors are the big crypto exchanges that all of you know, as well as firms like CME. So we are really challenged by a lot of players, and we've managed to keep the market share at extremely high levels over the years. We started in 2016. We were the first and had 100% market share, and now, about a decade later, we still have 80%, so that's pretty impressive. It made sense that over time, crypto would take off as well from an options perspective. And we saw that happening since 2018, 2019. So a few years after we started, the first years we really had to prove and prove to ourselves that our product made sense. And after that, at some point, it became acknowledged by the market, and you started seeing niche market makers only focusing on options. You started seeing hedge funds spinning off and mimicking their traditional strategy into the crypto space, trading options. So essentially, if you look at the global trading environment, those people will gradually move over to crypto. That's what we've seen over the years, and that's what Fireblocks has seen as well. You see, I just heard like 1,000 new clients onboarding. Many of those come from the traditional space, and if you ask them what they know and what they trade, it would be either spot, simply buying the asset, like buying equities. And the next step would be derivatives, and the derivatives they know would be options and futures. And that's our product range. If you look at the highly successful perpetual product, it's suitable for retail, it's suitable for HFT, and it's suitable for like shorter term positioning, but it's not suitable for longer term hedging. Options and futures are perfect for that, and that's what we offer, and that's why we automatically get a lot of inflow from those type of firms, because they simply want to continue trading what they know. We started working together about 5 years ago. We started with Bitcoin and Ether, and we are, let's say, platform specialists. We know how to match trades, how to process orders, how to calculate margins. But wallet support, that's not our core focus. So when we started expanding collateral, underlying coins we supported, we looked for a partner and found you. So we initially started with the wallets we managed ourselves, plus Solana, managed by Fireblocks. Which is when we first started to get more experience into the product, what it offers, the features, the security, the transaction policies, etc. And over time, we were that pleased with the product that we decided to essentially stop servicing the wallets ourselves, but make all our wallets Fireblocks supported. And that's when we expanded till where we are today. So I think for any exchange, security is like key. So I think what kept us with Fireblocks is the ever-increasing security features and the focus on quality and the focus on transaction policies that we supported per coin, per dollar level, etc. The focus on different solutions for hot, warm and cold were very strong. But I think what we like most is the willingness to partner for new innovative things, and we were the launching partner for Fireblocks Off Exchange, which has helped, I think, us both in growing market share and servicing clients better. Over time, it has become clear that clients each have their own preference. Some want a regulated custodian from a certain country. Some want an off-chain solution where essentially assets move without actually moving on-chain. And some want a highly advanced solution like you offer, and we tend to offer them all. So we like to partner with high-quality providers, and we love the partnership with you because it's essentially what you offer is what they need. The off-exchange solution is very powerful in itself. It allows us to have access to the assets while the client keeps control over the wallets, which makes the model very efficient and scalable. And it also allows us to onboard more custodians using Fireblocks technology while not onboarding new technology solutions. So for us, life is easier while being able to leverage on your network without impacting us operationally. So that's difficult to answer. I do think that it has saved a lot of operational hours. So we are able to expand in terms of services provided via third parties without connecting to all of those third parties. So different clients is simple. So Fireblocks has brought us new clients and vice versa, which use the off-exchange solution, but also we use Fireblocks as a provider of custody solutions to third-party custodians, which again, one layer in the middle, but again is an access provider to clients. And that, of course, saves a lot. If you look at the amount of effort it takes to onboard one new custodian, due diligence-wise, technology-wise, integration, discussions, it takes months and months of discussions to understand the differences in the models, etc. That time is saved if someone uses your technology. I'm excited about a lot of things. We were just acquired by Coinbase, and the overall plan for, let's say, the next year and a half would be to integrate with a variety of Coinbase solutions. At the same time, we want to expand the platform. So we are offering more options. As mentioned, options is our bread and butter, and we want to offer more of them. So like any traditional market, there's a few key products, which typically are the index products, and then the single stocks that do pretty well as well. For us, BTC and ETH would be the index products equivalent, and then you have the smaller coins as the single stocks that we want to expand. So we're launching more. We're launching more perpetuals. We're launching more collateral offset, but we're also launching more coins. And that's where you come in again. So we will provide more wallet support and expand the overall products offered. And who knows, we might offer way more purpose than we do today. So that would be one of the growth categories as well.